Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to use two Facebook apps on iPhone. So as you can see, I've installed two Facebook apps on my iPhone and I'm going to opening this Facebook app, and here as you can see I'm using account, and I'm going to opening my second Facebook app, and as you can see in the second Facebook app I'm using a different Facebook account. And now I will show you how you can use two different Facebook apps with two different accounts at the same time on your iPhone. So first of all, we have to install the Facebook app from App Store. So go to your App Store and search for Facebook, and all you have to need, install the Facebook app on your iPhone and then sign into your Facebook account. So this is my first Facebook. And now to install the second Facebook app, you have to open a browser on your iPhone. You can use any browser you want. So here's I opened my Safari browser. Once you are in your browser, tap on the search bar and all you have to need, type facebook.com and open official Facebook website. Once you are here, make sure to sign into your Facebook account. As you can see, I've already signed into my Facebook account. Okay, once you successfully sign into your Facebook account from your browser, now it's time to add the Facebook in our iPhone home screen. To do that, tap on the share icon, and here just tap on add to home screen and tap on add. Once the Facebook add date, here as you can see, I've successfully installed my two Facebook apps on iPhone. So this is how we can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.